Hello, viewers. My name is Helen Lenny. I'm here today to talk about faith, our faith in God, faith, trust, belief in God. That's the topic today, and feel at home, feel welcome. Let's share, okay? And whatever you have, you can comment down below. I'll go seek for it and then come with answers for you, okay? Karibuni, please subscribe. Generally, if you look on what people trust in, just for instance, imagine we work, including me, we get our salaries and trust the bank with our salaries. We stay in homes, trust the doors that when they are locked, we are safe. Imagine if we could put our trust in God in that manner. God that gave us that life itself. You just place yourself in the situation of trusting God with your life. Imagine how pleased He could be. God is everything, let me tell you. From my experience, God is everything. Trust in God is all. Trust, faith, name it. It's the same thing. Belief, it's the same thing. In God, belief and faith in God is everything. Allow me to talk about the book of Matthew, chapter 7, from verse 7 to 8. It talks about knock, and the door shall be opened unto you. Seek, and you shall find. Ask, and you shall be given. For anyone that, as you read the verse, you will find. Brethren, I tell you, there is no truth other than the word of God. That's number one. And I can tell you, I don't know if you are discouraged or if you believe, but use the Bible on God. I tell you, everything will be delivered unto you. You will never lack. You will never wallow in pain. And again, learn to practice patience with God. You might feel pain. It doesn't mean that when you trust in God, you will not be faced with calamities. Or if you check in the book of James, James chapter 2, verse 26, it says, faith without action is dead. It means when you have faith, people will see that faith in you. Someone that trusts in God. When you trust in something, you will try as much as possible. Even though we know you are human, but you will try as much as possible with the people around you to at least please God. God whom you have faith in. And I don't say that you must struggle. Remember, it's by the grace of God that we have that faith. It's just by the grace. And even that's why I find it so ridiculous when someone has too much pride to others because they have faith. It's not by our might, it's by the grace of God, fully grace of God. That's why whatever you do, you recognized Christ in it. Christ showed love to everybody, especially to sinners, because he felt he needed them in his kingdom. Those who have pride, they know God, they know God, they know God. Yeah? Christ has that desire to win that sinner whom you belittle, and Christ has a passionate heart. That is what a true Christian should really want to mimic. And everything about God is grace, is by His grace, nothing else. Today, I want to encourage you that through faith, I tell you, just try it. If you don't have it, pray to God. He will give you according to His will. God can't deny you that. And I tell you, you will get courage to face whatever it is. Encourage each other and learn more. Till next time, ciao, bye.